Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So today we have face yoga for you. This can be done by anyone in any time of the day. And for this all you need is your time. So sit comfortably and easily and let's brighten up your face. So we'll begin the practice. Gently close your eyes. Take a breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your body. One more breath in and exhale with a smile. And now slowly you may open your eyes. Let's begin by placing the index finger and the middle finger. Place it on your temples and gently rotate in clockwise direction with a very little pressure on the temples. Slowly massage. And now in the opposite direction. And relax. And now take your first finger and the thumb and now place it on the either sides of the eyebrow. The index finger comes on the top, thumb comes down, and keep pressing the eyebrow, keep pinching it and pulling it towards the sides. There's a lot of stress accumulated in this region. Let's just release it. Keep pressing the eyebrows. Continue. Few more times. Give a nice shape to your eyebrows. And relax. And now take your index finger. You place it on the tear glands. Just press it. And now slowly take it from below the eyes towards the temples. Once again, just press near the tear glands slightly. Now take it from below the eyes and towards the temples. Once again, press. Take it from below and towards the temples. And relax. And now open your eyes wide. Open. Open and squeeze. Now open and squeeze. Open and squeeze. Open as if you're surprised and squeeze. And now we'll blink the eyes. Blink, 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 and squeeze. Once again, open wide. Blink, 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 and squeeze. Last time, open and blink, 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 and squeeze. Rub your palms. Let there be some heat generated between your palms. And now slowly place it on your eyes. Let your eyes absorb all the warmth from the hands. Eye palming helps to relax all the muscles around the eyes, and the blinking helps to strengthen the eye muscles, thereby improving the eyesight. Slowly relax the hands and release. And now we will look up. Just your eyeballs are going up and slowly look down. Once again, up and down without putting much pressure or effort. Up and down. And we'll come back to the center. Look to the right. Make sure you're not moving the head. Come to the center and to the left. To the right. Whenever you're moving, also keep observing everything that comes on the way. To the left. Right and to the left. And now we'll make circles. Slowly go up Take your eyeballs up, look up towards the ceiling, towards the right wall, down, floor, left and up. Continue. Keep observing everything that comes on the way. Last round. And relax, opposite direction. Make sure you're smiling also and keep observing everything that comes on in the way. And relax. Again, rub your palms. Generate some heat between the palms and place them on your eyes. Relax the muscles of the eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. And now let's do something for the cheeks, for toning of your face. Just puff up your cheeks. Breathe in, puff up your cheeks, hold it and then we release. So it would be like breathe in. So you breathe in through your mouth and also breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in, puff up the cheeks and breathe out and relax. We'll do it for a couple of times. Breathe in. And relax. Breathe in. And relax. Once again, in. And relax. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. And relax. Last time. Breathe in. And breathe out and relax. And now place your fingers on the cheekbones near the joint where the jaws are attaching to the cheekbones. Just massage it over there. You may open up your mouth, just massage. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. And relax. And now we will smile and kiss. A study says that baby smiles 400 times and an adult smiles hardly 8 times. So let's smile and kiss. Smile, big smile and kiss. Smile, kiss. Continue. Smile, kiss. Smile and kiss. Smile and kiss. Smile and kiss. Last time, smile, kiss and relax. And now we'll do something for the jaw. Open up your mouth and move your jaw to the right and to the left. Just make funny faces. We'll also rotate the lower jaw, opposite, and relax. Mostly, sometimes you are not aware but you keep clenching and lot of stress is accumulated in the jaws. So this will help to relax all of it. And now catch your ears. We are saying sorry. So this helps to increase your awareness and also helps to relax the muscles of the face. Keep pulling your ears down. Catch the earlobes and we are pulling it down. Very good. Making sure you're smiling. And now catch the ears onto the sides and pull it to the sides. Let your ears become big. Pull it up, pull the ears up. And let's do cycling with the ears. Opposite direction. and relax. Just observe a little bit of heat generated on the ears. Breathe in and breathe out. And now we'll make the sound. This is for the tongue. Let's continue. And relax. Breathe in and exhale. And now we'll do neck rotation. Breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathe in from the right, go back. Breathing out from the left, will come forward. Keep relaxing all the muscles of the neck. Opposite direction, breathe in and breathe out. Last round. And you may gently close your eyes, relax. Observe the sensations in the face region. Breathe in and exhale with a smile. Know that you're the most beautiful person on earth. Breathe in and exhale. And when you wear a smile on your face, no one can beat you. In and out. And slowly you may open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. May you stay fit and calm. So if you like our video, do hit on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit on the bell button, and also do let us know how you feel practicing with us and what videos you want.